Now, let's continue with the remaining examples. Now, looking at example 1b, we have to change 3.5 liters to milliliter. Now, remember in the short notes that I wrote earlier, when changing from liters to milliliter, we multiply by 1000. So that is what we are going to use from now henceforth. So since 3.5 liters, changing to improper fraction, we have 7 over 2, which is what 3 times 2, which is 6 plus 1, that's 7. So 7 over 2 liters, and that's what we are going to use. Now 7 over 2 times 1000, we are multiplying by 1000 because we are changing from liters to milliliter. So henceforth, now 2 here, 1, 2 in 10 here will give you 5. With the remaining zeros, that's 500. So 7 times 500 will give you 3500 what milliliter, and that's your answer. Moving to example 2, write the following in liters. We're going to change what 4000 milliliter, and we're also going to change 3100 milliliter. Now is example 2a, 4000 milliliter to liter. Since we are changing from milliliter to liters, we are going to be what dividing by 1000. So therefore, our 4000 will be divided by 1000. Now dividing it, we just cancel the last zeros. 1 0 down, 1 0 up. Cancel the 1 0 down, 1 0 up, 1 0 down, and 1 0. We are left with what 4 over 1. And 4 over 1 is the same thing as what 4. So we just put our units in liters, and that's all. And in B, 3100 milliliters to liters. Remember, milliliters to liters we divide by 1000. Now 3100 over 1000, we cancel last 0 up, last 0 down, last 0 up, leaving us with 31 over 10. And remember, when dividing by 10, because it has 1 0, we move the point backwards once. I don't know if you can remember Mr. DL, multiplication right and division left. So since it's division, it moves left, giving us what 3.1, and 3.1 what liters, and that's your final answer. Now moving to example 3. So write the following in liters and milliliters. First one says 7690 milliliters, and the second one is 3.216 liters. Now first of all, the first one is already in milliliters, and 7690 milliliters, same thing as saying 7000 when separating it plus what 690 ml. I remember 7000, changing it to liters, we just divide by 1000, which will give us 7 liters plus our what 690 ml. So our answer will be what 7 liters 690 milliliter, and we are changing to milliliters and liters, right? So now in example B, 3b, our 3.216 liters. Now before we expand it this way, we have to change it to milliliter, and when changing from liters to milliliters, we multiply by 1000. And when multiplying by 1000, remember multiplication right, the point is here. So since we are multiplying by 1000, it moves 3 times, 1 2 3. So our answer will be what 3216 milliliters. Now that it is in milliliters, we can separate it, giving us what 3000 plus 216 milliliters. And 3000 milliliters in liters, dividing by 1000, get 3 liters plus our 216 milliliter. So our final answer was 3 liters 216 milliliters. I hope this, with all these examples, you will be able to do the assessment that will be sent very shortly to you guys. Now study this carefully and answer the assessments properly. Thank you and have a lovely day.